Can I be the storyteller?
Yeah.
Okay. Once upon a time, a little girl named Rosa. She waddled away in the house, and she go to school in the morning, and she studied hard for the exam. Then she got an A+ on her test, and she told her mom that I got high grades, and her mom clapped her and buy her a gift for her.
What kind of gift?
Computer. Not computer.
I know. Who's that girl?
No. Think it. No.
Bam Bam, who wants a computer because she got a high grade?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Dinadala tayo sa kwento, ah.